Good morning. It's day 7 of Vlogmas, but I guess week 2 for me. So I am going to go for a run outside, which I haven't done in a while. So I will check in after my run. You all know what else is on the agenda for today, for Christmas week 2. All right. 1 mile down. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna do today, but probably definitely no more than 3. See you soon. Hey y'all, I am done. I did about 3 miles, and like I said, I hadn't ran outside since maybe the beginning of COVID, so it was no joke. I didn't stretch before, which I should have, but I'll definitely stretch afterwards. And I ran about 1.5 miles, walked about 1.5 miles, and I just caught cramps, like in my hips and my leg, my lower leg, so my whole right side. So it could be the shoes, it could be a number of things, but overall I enjoyed it, and I'll be back again maybe later on this week or next week. But I encourage you to get out and get some self-care in, exercise, get a little fresh air and sunlight for vitamin D. So see you soon when I get back to the house. Okay y'all, I am back from my run and about to make my protein smoothie. So coconut water, one scoop of vegan protein powder, a little chia seeds, got a little bit more than a little, but some chopped spinach, frozen, just like a handful, and a handful of frozen blueberries, and a handful of frozen strawberries. This smoothie is so good.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
And it's so good. All right, so if you try it, let me know. Hey everyone, it's the next day and I'm still in the edition of self-care. So today I'm going to make 2 essential oils that my family and I use on a regular basis. So if you're interested in learning how to make these essential oils and what they are good for, then stick around. So today's video is going to be about essential oils. And although there are several essential oils that have many, many benefits, today we're only going to cover 2. I would like to mention that the grade of the essential oil is extremely important. So please keep that in mind when you are using essential oil. I use doTERRA. This is a family kit that I purchased from them a while ago that was approximately like $150, but I've had this kit like over a year. So right now, to help me with the formulas that I need, I have a sheet here. Although this says for kids, it has all the essential oil ingredients that you need. You can use it for kids or adults, and then there's also a separate one for adults. But what I'll do is I'll try to link this in the description bar below so that you can print it out and for your own use. Okay, so I'm going to start with the allergy blend of essential oil. This blend requires lavender, lemon, and peppermint oil and fractionated coconut oil, and that's it. And you just need a roller ball, which you can order off of Amazon. I will link the ones that I'm using below, or something similar, in case I can't find it. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the allergy oil. So for the allergy oil, it says blend 1 drop of lavender. So I'm going to use this cup here, and you'll see why later. So 1 drop of lavender, 1 drop of lemon, and 1 drop of peppermint oil. Okay, and I'm using different oils because I had ran out of doTERRA, and I just went to the vitamin shop and got the vitamin shop and V-Thrive for the lemon and the peppermint oil, which I think is a okay quality as well, just a little cheaper. And then you're going to use 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. So this is a teaspoon. So I'm just going to fill this. And then put it in there as well. Okay, and basically that is what you're going to do to fill this roller bottle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in, and then I'm going to repeat until the bottle is full. Okay, once the bottle is full, then I'm going to take the top, the roller ball top, push it down. Top is on. You can find labels like off of Amazon or Etsy too, to put labels on here or either the bottom, so that you don't get confused about which oil is for which. And so how you're going to use it, the instructions say apply a small amount on the temples, under the nose, and the bottom of the feet in the morning and in the evening. I have been using these for my son for the last, I would say maybe 3 to 4 weeks. And prior to that, I was giving him Zyrtec, the allergy medicine. But what I noticed is that I was faithfully applying, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes how to apply this. I was faithfully applying this allergy oil, this oil to him in the morning and in the evening. And I realized that I did not have to give him the Zyrtec. I haven't given him Zyrtec in almost a month now. So the instructions say to apply it to your temples. So you just rub a little on your temple. Okay. And then right above your nose, and then on the bottoms of your feet. And you're going to do that every morning and every evening. And that should help you with your allergies. So try it. Let me know. Please comment below and let me know if you try it and if it works for you. But give it some time. Give it a couple weeks. But you should feel something, a difference with the allergies, maybe within a few days, I would say. The next oil mixture will be for anxiety, and this will be in the form of a spray bottle. So this is the spray bottle here, again, that I just purchased off of Amazon. And the oils, there's only 2 oils that I'll use for this combination, which is orange, but today I have sweet orange, and lemon. And then you're going to need water. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 5 drops of orange. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of orange. And then 10 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 drops of lemon. And what I'm going to do is, because we need 1 ounce of water, what I'm going to do is go ahead and pour this oil into the bottle so that I can properly measure out the 1 ounce of water. So in this cup, it goes up to 15 milliliters. So I'm gonna fill this cup twice and just move my camera down. And then just fill the bottle with water. I'm gonna do it twice, up to the 15 milliliter line. Okay. Keep doing that until you fill the spray bottle. The necklace that I have on here, which I purchased off of Etsy, and I'll leave a link below, but they have necklaces. I like the necklaces better than the bracelets because the necklace is closer to, you know, your nose to absorb the oil. You can spray this onto the necklace, but for it to be even more potent, you can actually put the oil onto the necklace. So for instance, for the anxiety, you can put 5 drops of orange onto the necklace and then 10 drops maybe on the other side, and then that smell is with you all day. If you enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel out a lot. And until my next video, see you soon.